Hello, this is Danny, and this is the SAT's Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. I'm going to do classifying by degree and number of terms. So, for example here, we can see right here the examples. We'll have 6x squared plus 2. And so now to classify by degree, you go by the highest exponent. So since there's 2, that would be quadratic, so I just abbreviated that here. And then now, to classify by number of terms, you just take how many terms there are, and in this example there's 2, and you would do the bi, which means 2, so it'd be binomial. And it's pretty much the same for this one, but since there's no exponent here, which that exponent would be a 1, it makes the classifying by degree would make it linear. And then there's 2 terms, so it'd be binomial. And then the last one, since the highest exponent is a 3, it makes it cubic. And then trinomial, because there's 3 terms. And now I'm going to hand this off to Tori to do the rest of this page here.
This is Tori, and this is an example of adding polynomials. To simplify this, you just add together the like terms. So it's 6x squared plus 4x squared equals 10x squared. And you just carry down the minus 2. This is an example of subtracting polynomials. Again, you just add or subtract the like terms. So it would be 4x squared minus 2x squared equals 2x squared. So you just carry down the 5x cubed plus 2x squared, and then it's 1 minus negative 1, so it'd be 1 plus 1 is plus 2. This is another example of adding polynomials, and for this one, you'd combine the 3x and the 2x, so it'd be 5x, and then you'd bring it down as 5x squared plus 5x minus 2. And now I'm going to pass it back over to Danny to finish the rest of the video.
Hey, this is Danny again, and this is how you would classify polynomials. Now here, for this example, what you would have to do to classify it by degree, you just find the largest out of these exponents right here. So it would be 4. So that means it's quartic. I don't know where they came up with these names, but apparently they work. But okay, so then classifying by number of terms, you just count how many terms there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, because there's that little minus 1 over there. So it would be polynomial. And the reason it's not like fournomial is because after you get to trinomial, they just get lazy. I messed up there. Another thing. They just get lazy, and so everything above a trinomial is a polynomial. So now for this one, this would be a trinomial because there's 3 terms in it. So that's a trinomial. And then, so now to classify by degree, just find the largest exponent. Since 2 is pretty much the only exponent here, it would be quadratic. And so that's basically how you would classify polynomials.